Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Known for its timeless design and rugged performance, the Bullet 350 has been a symbol of classic biking for decades. But with the 2025 model, Royal Enfield has added some modern upgrades. Let's explore what makes this new Bullet 350 so exciting. Design: a perfect blend of classic and modern. The 2025 Bullet 350 retains the quintessential classic look that fans adore. With its round headlamp, chrome accents, and minimalist styling, it still embodies the spirit of the original Bullet. However, it has been updated with sleeker lines and improved build quality, making it feel more refined while maintaining that old-school charm. The new model features an upgraded fuel tank with a slightly sharper design and a more ergonomic rider triangle, ensuring comfort during long rides. The quality of materials used, especially in the frame and finishes, is noticeably improved. Performance, power and precision. Under the hood, the 2025 Bullet 350 continues to offer the dependable 349cc single-cylinder engine. However, Royal Enfield has tuned it for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. You can expect around 20 horsepower, which is ideal for city commuting and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, allowing for more flexibility and performance. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising at a steady speed, the Bullet 350 provides a balanced and enjoyable ride. Additionally, the new suspension system ensures better handling, making it more stable and comfortable on a variety of terrains. Technology and features: modern upgrades. Though rooted in classic design, the 2025 Bullet 350 is not short on tech. The bike now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. It displays essential information like speed, fuel levels, trip data, and even a gear position indicator. For added convenience, the Bullet 350 now comes equipped with an integrated Bluetooth system, allowing you to pair your phone for navigation and calls. Royal Enfield has also enhanced the braking system, adding dual-channel ABS for better safety. Comfort and rideability. Built for long journeys, Royal Enfield has made sure that the 2025 Bullet 350 is as comfortable as it is stylish. The saddle is wider and more cushioned, designed to provide a more relaxed ride for both short and long distances. The seat height is also slightly lowered, making it accessible to a wider range of riders. With improved ergonomics and better suspension, the Bullet 300 offers a smooth ride whether you're on a city street or winding country roads. The bike feels responsive without being too aggressive, striking the right balance for daily use and long-distance travel. Conclusion: is the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 worth it? In conclusion, the 2005 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is a beautiful blend of classic design and modern enhancements. With its improved engine performance, updated technology, and comfortable ride, it remains an ideal choice for motorcycle enthusiasts who appreciate heritage but also crave contemporary upgrades. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that combines nostalgia with modern sensibilities, the 2025 Bullet 350 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe.